Dear English 312 students, welcome to today's lesson. Today we're going to cover the introduction of process writing, and we will focus on understanding the process writing. You can find this lesson in the writing essay book pages number 2, 3 and 4. Let's start. Learning objectives. By the end of this lesson you would have recognized new vocabulary related to understand the writing process, recalled steps of the writing process, summarized the steps of the writing process. The writing process. These words are important for understanding writing process. Match each word with the right definition. We will read the sentences. A. Step. B. Topic. C. Gather. D. Organize. E. Paragraph. F. Essay. G. Proofread. H. Edit. 1. To check a piece of writing for errors. 2. A group of related sentences. 3. One thing in a series of things you do. 4. Subject, what the piece of writing is about. 5. To change or correct a piece of writing. 6. A short piece of writing, at least 3 paragraphs long. 7. To arrange in a clear logical way. 8. To find and collect together. I will give you 1 minute to answer this startup activity. Well done. Let's check the answer. Step. One thing in a series of things you do. Topic. Subject, what the piece of writing is about. Gather. To find and collect together. Organize. To arrange in a clear logical way. Paragraph. A group of related sentences. Essay. A short piece of writing, at least 3 paragraphs long. Proofread. To check a piece of writing for errors. Edit. To change or correct a piece of writing. Steps of the writing process. When we write, we go through several steps to produce a piece of writing. There are 6 steps in the writing process. Read the notes on page 3 on your book. Writing essays to find out about them. Steps 5 and 6 can be repeated many times. The 6 steps of the writing process. Pre-writing. Step 1. Choose a topic. Before you write, choose a specific topic. Step 2. Gather ideas. Think of what you will write about that topic. Step 3. Organize. Decide which ideas you will use, when and where, and which idea you will use first, next and last. Drafting. Step 4. Write. Write your paragraph or essay from start to end using your notes about your ideas and organization. Reviewing and revising. Step 5. Review structure and content. Time for checking what you have written. Read your writing and check for any information to add or unnecessary information to delete. You can exchange papers with a classmate. Rewriting. Step 6. Revise structure and content. Rewrite your text, making improvements to the structure and content, adding more details or information and making it more logical by changing organization. Steps 5 and 6 are called editing. Proofread. Time for checking your spelling, grammar and chosen vocabulary. Reread your paper again and check it all. Make final corrections. Make sure you corrected the mistakes you discovered in steps 5 and 6. Feel free to make any other changes you want to make. Here we can see again the full 6 steps of the writing process and the movement direction between them. Summarizing the steps of the writing process. Now, complete the chart and the sentence below to summarize the steps of the writing process. It's also on your book on page 4. I will give you 1 minute to answer this activity. Now, let's see the proposed answer. Pre-writing. Step 1. Choose a topic. Step 2. Gather ideas. Step 3. Decide and organize ideas. Drafting. Step 4. Write paragraph from beginning to end. Reviewing or revising. Step 5. Review structure and content. Rewriting. Step 5. Rewrite. Proofread. Make final corrections. Steps 5 and the 6th may be repeated many times. End of the lesson. Thank you for listening. I hope that you have understand our lesson today. And see you soon.